looks like it's a bit of an overcast sky today, but good time to go visit the secondhand shop, hopefully before it rains later this afternoon. So let's see what happens. Thankfully, the weather worked out for us today on our outing. The vintage shop was tucked away in the back a little, but not too hard to find in the end. You know it's a trendy location when you have to enter through the loading bay. We were pleasantly surprised by the wide variety of things for sale here. It's a lot to look through, thankfully. Some tasteful artwork for sale here. The eagle jacket was a very tempting purchase. Oh yeah, that suits you much better. This is exactly what our kitchen is missing. Definitely an eclectic mix of items here. A lot of it I found interesting, but way out of my price range, unfortunately. To the next floor, which had more of a concentration of clothing to look through. No room for Laura, sadly. Trying to decide if I can fit this into my wardrobe or not. Amelia found some earrings she liked. Having our fill of vintage items, it was off to our next destination, which thankfully wasn't too far away. Quick stop first to enjoy this mural here. I always enjoy coming here to shop once in a while. Just unfortunately the prices are a bit too high for all the junk food I like to buy. Couldn't resist grabbing a bag of some Korean Cheetos. Unfortunately, my tolerance for spicy foods aren't the greatest, so had to pick through and find stuff that weren't too spicy. Ended up going with some child versions of noodles, since that's more at my level, unfortunately. Found our sushi mayo that we were looking for. Had to get a package of Korean fried chicken, which we had for lunch later. After that fun shopping detour, it was time to head home. Well, we had a fun day out shopping today. It's nothing fancy, but it's nice to get the chance to spend quality time together. Everyone has their own friends, things going on now, and it's a chance to make the most of the time I can spend together with everyone while I can. Enjoy the little things like going out shopping, making these videos, and just remembering to record them, still ongoing challenge for me. I'm not used to whipping out my phone and recording little things like this, but it's nice to have this to look back on later, and just happy to be able to record things like this now while I still can. Um, yeah. So thank you again for watching this all the way to the end. Appreciate you watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think about the video so far. Still a big work in progress for me, but hopefully I'm improving a little bit with each video. And hope to see you again next week. Thank you.